Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to open Monzo bank account online at your home without visiting any branch. So first of all, if you have an Android phone, then go to the Play Store, and if you have an iPhone, then go to the App Store and search there Monzo bank. After searching Monzo bank, we have to download this application. As you can see, I already installed this application. We have to install this application. This is the latest updated version, so click on open. Now as you can see, here is the option of create an account in the bottom, so click on it. Monzo application asking to for our email ID, so enter your regular email ID and your active email ID, your permanent email ID. So I am entering my Gmail. After entering your email ID, we have to click on continue. And please friend, if this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now as you can see, here is the option of open email, and I did not receive my email. If you don't receive your email, then you can click on here, and I am right now opening my email application. So now as you can see, I registered my email address and confirm my email address. So how to active your email ID? Go to your email application and tap on the Monzo and tap on the login. Now this is the interface of this Monzo. I already all completed this. Then click on next. Now as you can see, there is three options available. Number one is personal account, number two is your joint account, and number three is your business account. So right now I want to open only personal account, so click on it. Tap on continue. As you can see, this is the interface of welcome to Monzo, and scroll down this. After scrolling up and scrolling every details about it, we have to click on next. As you can see, here is the option of your full legal name and also option available of your DOB. So now first of all, I am entering my legal name. This is the completely example account, so I am not writing my original details. This is completely for example. So I entered all details and tap on next. After this, we have to provide our UK postal code. So if you don't have any UK address, then you can't able to create this. So make sure you have a UK address. So I entered right now I am entering my UK postal code. After entering your UK postal code, then we have to select our address. If your address is not here, then you can't open your account. So you have to contact Monzo bank, and you have to contact them by their number, and you can contact them by their email address. So I am right now selecting my address. After selecting your address, you have to enter your mobile number right now here. So I entering my mobile number, but make sure you are entering your UK mobile number. If you enter your any other country mobile number, then you can't able to create your account. You can see I entered my mobile number and tap on continue. Right now this is the interface of this application. We have to type here our verification code which send it to our mobile number. So I am clicking on here and enter your verification code. As you can see, this is the interface of Monzo. We want to let you know about your new features, offer, rewards, and think you will like. There is the all term and conditions here, and so click on yes please. And if you don't want any offer and something else on your email ID, then you can click on no thanks. So I am clicking on right now no thanks. And please read the all privacy policy and FSCSC information all about it. So after reading all details, click on continue. There is the option of cookies. You can also accept cookies. So I am accepting all cookies. And so please read all terms and conditions carefully. Your account is completely free of cost, but there is something charges for some times, but there is a normal using charge is 0. As you can see, this is the €0 for your maintaining, for your refuse a payment due to lack of funds, and allowing a payment deposits lack of funds it's almost 0. Your direct debit card you can use for your payment. For your 0 outstanding orders is 0. Sending money within the UK you have to pay 0 money. So completely is, you can say that there is a very types of options are completely free, but some things are available to chargeable. Then scroll down your mobile screen and read all term and conditions carefully. I read all term and conditions already, so I am scrolling down my mobile screen and click on next. Now please enter your overdraft limit and enter your overdraft information. So after this all things we have to click on next. Now this is the last and final your term and condition. You have to accept this, and if so, as you can see, here is the option of customer care support. You can contact them anytime, anywhere. So I am scrolling down my mobile screen, and if this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And scroll down your mobile screen. As you can see, all information are here. I am accept all term and condition. I already read it this. So click on accept. After everything, we need to something details about them. We need to know a bit more about you. So click on next. So there is almost 4 steps available. You have to enter your employment details, your citizenship details, your financial incomes and your account details, and then after you have to enter your identity. So click on get started. Here is the option of are you British citizen. So I am not, but for an example I am clicking on right now yes, but make sure you have to completely give them a correct detail. If you not giving them correct detail, then they can suspend your account anytime. So after it we have to click on next. Then what is your employment status? You are a full-time employment, you're part-time, self-employed, unemployed, retired, students, not working due to illness and disabilities. You can select anything as you want. So after it I am selecting full-time, then click on next. So they are asking for your industry and your work, which industry you are working right now. So I am selecting my industry. After selecting your industry we have to click on next. So now we have to describe our job. So after entering your all details, click on next. So now we have to complete next. Click on continue. Enter your what's your annual income before tax. So click on it and enter your annual income. After entering your annual income, next. Is your total annual income likely to go down in this year in future? I am clicking on right now no. Then click on next. So what your housing status? You are a homeowner, you are a homeowner with no mortgage, you are renting, you are a tenant, and you are living with family. So I am clicking on living with family. Click on next. How much do you contribute per month? I am selecting right now here 0.00. Then click on next, and you can enter your all details. After entering my all details, click on next. Does any really on your financial? I am clicking on no. You can choose your own details. I am clicking on right now next. And please make sure you have to fill all correct details. If you fill any wrong details, then you have to face something problems in future. So I am clicking on right now continue. Where will your first payment into your account will come? You can select your payment from salary, you can select your bank account, you can select check and cash deposit, anything you can select your all details. Right now I am selecting my bank transfer from my account. So click on next. Roughly how much you will be debt your first payments? I am clicking right now there and enter your euros. In euros I am entering. How much do you expect to use your Monzo account? Day-to-day spending, your occasional spending, pay bills and receiving salary, and you can select all details. I am right now selecting my savings. After that all details information, then click on next. Roughly how much your money will be come into your account each month? So I am clicking right now almost 500 plus. So now we have to click on next. Will you be making your international bank transfer? Right now I am not making, so I am clicking on no. And if you are making, then you can select yes. I am right now not making, then I am clicking on no and click on next. So now we have to prove our identity. So click on check your identity. If you enjoying this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So verify your identity. We have to need to check you are safe and how it's working. So take a picture of your valid photo ID card and personal information is correct. Record a short video of yourself to match your face to your ID card photo. Get started. Now please take a picture of your valid photo ID. I am right now taking a picture of my valid photo ID. Click on take a picture. Now select which you want to use, your passport, your driving license, your national ID, your UK biometric resident permit. So right now I am selecting my passport. So which country issued this passport to you? I am selecting right now UK, and if you are from India and Pakistan, then you can click on it. So I am right now selecting this all details and click on using the app. So giving all permission, we have to capture our details. I captured my details. Click on capture. Use this picture, and if you want to retake, then you can retake your photo. I am right now using this picture. Now here you can see there is the option of allow to your mobile recording. So I am right now allowing this. Click on I am ready right now. And what you have to say? You have to say, hi, my name is dash 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 and I want to open a Monzo bank account. So record your video. After these all details, we have to submit this video. So click on submit this video. They are uploading our file, so please wait for it. As you can see, do you have any US citizen or tax residency outside the UK? If you have, then you can click on yes, and if you don't have, then you can click on no, I just have the UK. So click on the UK. Now enter your tax residency information. I right now click on all details and confirm declaration. Process. Monzo will open your account within a 48 hours and they will give you your account number. They will send you a debit card by postal code in the 7 days. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.